Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell County, Central Hays County, Northeastern Guadalupe County, South Central Travis County, Southwestern Bastrop County, North Central Gonzales County, Northeastern Coleman County, until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near San Marcos, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Kyle, Judah, Lockhart, Bastrop, Lewing, Wimberley, Canyon Lake, Wood Creek, Martindale, Hewlin, Mustang Ridge, Kingsbury, Niederwald, Staples, Fentress, Cedar Creek, Palmetto State Park, and Driftwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.